So the next question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for children to play in a park. For the children below age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So the question says about 2 slides. One is for the children of age below 5 years and the other one is for the bigger children, and it is clearly mentioned that for children of age below 5 years the height of the slide is 1.5 meter and whereas the other slide's height is 3 meter. And the first slide is having an angle of inclination of 30 degree and the second slide is having an angle of inclination of 60 degree. So let this be the slide for the smaller children. Okay, height is given. This is the slide for the children below the age of 5 years. Height 1.5 meter means from the ground level to the top. From the ground level to the top, the height is given as 1.5 meter. Inclined at an angle of 30 degree means this is the slanting position, isn't it? This green color. So inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground means this angle is 30 degree. Okay. So it's a right triangle in which the height is given as 1.5 meter. This angle is given as 30 degree. What is the question? We have to find the length of the slide. So in this case, we have to find the length of the green colored scale. So this is the slide. We have to find the length of the slide. Okay. Suppose this is the slide for the bigger children above the age of 5 years. So it is said that the height is 1.5 meter. That means from the ground level to the top, the height is 1.5 meter. We have to find the length of the slide, and it is also said that the angle of inclination is 60 degree. Which angle will be 60 degree? Angle of inclination to the ground. Ground is this one, isn't it? So angle of inclination to the ground means this angle is 60 degree. So this is also a right triangle. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 60 degree. The height we know as 3 meter and we have to find this length for the bigger children's slide. Okay. In the case of smaller children, the height is given as 1.5 meter. The angle of elevation, inclination of angle is given as 30 degree and we need to find the height of the slide. Okay. So if we draw the two figure, let this be the bigger slide AB. This be the ground level C. This is angle 90 degree. This angle is given as 60 degree. The height is given as 3 meter. Okay. Let this be the smaller slide. Let it be D, E, F. This is again 90 degree. This angle of inclination is given as 30 degree and the height is given as 1.5 meter. From this case or in this case, we have to find the length of AC and in this case, we have to find the length of DF. So I am going to take the triangle, right triangle ABC. From the right triangle ABC, this side we know, this side we need to find. So with respect to angle 60 degree, this is opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. So which ratio we will take? Sine. Sine 60 is equal to AB divided by AC. Sine 60, what is the value? Root 3 by 2 is equal to AB is 3 divided by AC. We don't know the value. So AC into root 3, when cross multiplied, AC into root 3 will give you 6. So AC is equal to 6 divided by root 3. Instead of writing 6 as 6, I can rewrite it as 3 into 2 by root 3. Why I wrote is because just to simplify. So 3 and root 3 get cancelled, giving you the balance as root 3. And so the length of AC, that means the length of the bigger slide is 2 root 3 meter. Okay. Again, just find the length of the smaller slide. What you have to do is consider triangle, right triangle DEF. There also, with respect to 30 degree, opposite side value is given. We need to find the length of the hypotenuse. So, which ratio we will connect? Sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to opposite side DE divided by hypotenuse DF. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 divided by DF. Again, cross multiplying DF into 1 is DF is equal to 2 into 1.5 gives you 3 meters. So the length of the smaller slide is 3 meter and length of the bigger slide is 2 root 3 meter. Instead of root 3, we can apply the value 1.71 and just calculate the value if the value of root 3 is given inside the bracket. Otherwise, the answer, length of the bigger slide is 2 root 3 meter and length of the smaller slide is 3 meter.